Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where data security meets digital curiosity. I'm Grace, your guide to smart innovation and safer technology.
And I'm Joshua, your tech enthusiast who loves anything that makes research less, well, boring. And today, we've got something fun, an AI that wants to be your patent detective.
That's right. Perplexity, the AI-powered web browser, just launched Perplexity Patents, a brand new research tool designed to help people find inventions faster.
Think of it like having a super smart librarian who knows every gadget, formula, and wait, someone already made that moment in history.
I could use one of those. So here's the deal. Perplexity Patents searches official government patent databases to find real, verified information about inventions from all over the world.
And it's not just about typing in exact keywords like robotic arm or flying skateboard. You can literally ask it questions like, who invented the first self-cleaning window? Or has anyone patented cat-proof furniture?
That last one sounds very necessary. What's cool is that Perplexity uses real government documents, academic papers, and even blogs. So it gives a complete picture, not just snippets.
Exactly. And right now it's in beta, meaning it's free to use while they test and improve it. The company even wants feedback from users so they can make it smarter.
That's smart because patents are tricky. Most big tech breakthroughs, from touchscreens to electric cars, started as patents. So having a tool that can quickly find what already exists helps inventors avoid duplicates and focus on new ideas.
Plus, it saves time. Normally, digging through patent databases feels like searching for a needle in a stack of needles. This AI makes it as easy as asking a friend.
A very clever, patent-obsessed friend. My takeaway? AI isn't just for chatbots and art. It's now helping innovation itself stay innovative.
And mine, information is power, but only if you can find it. Tools like this show that responsible AI can make discovery faster, easier, and a lot more fun.
That's it for today's Spotlight. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hey, maybe patent your great ideas before someone else's AI finds them first.